Hi friends, I'm Kunal Prabhu from iFi Life. So I'm here again to give you some more ways of earning money. I already gave you 10 to 12 ways in my previous video. So let me give you some more ways where you can explore yourself and earn a good amount of money and pay your dues and EMIs and have a good living also. So first would be Kindle ebook. So these are for those who feel like writing a lot, and you can actually write an ebook and publish it on Amazon. So they are giving you a good publishing tool also. Plus in this writing ebook you can earn royalties on Amazon. So this is a good way of just writing a book and just selling it to a large audience. So next way would be becoming a seller at Amazon, Flipkart and Shopify. Here you can sell any of your products on these websites. You can just become a seller, have a registered company, and whatever products you want you can sell. There's also a Facebook marketplace also where you can advertise and sell your products. So these are a great tool of reaching a larger customer base. So you kindly use all these websites, which is Amazon, Flipkart, and join their seller program, which will help you to sell your products. So the existing people who are into business also can also join these products if you have join these websites if you have not. So kindly be a seller partner and sell products whenever you want to. Third way I would say is be a language translator. So many companies do require language translators, those who are good linguistically. You can translate into any language, or if you know many languages then you can easily translate the content and be a good translator, and you can earn money with this. So this is also a good way of earning money by just translating some writings into some other language. One more way and a good and easy way is you can sell photos online also on websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Even on Shopify you can sell your photos. So those who have good skill of capturing and having good knowledge of photography, they can sell their photos on these websites. So these are the good ways where you can just sit at home or use your knowledge and skill and sell the photos online also and earn a handsome amount of money. So kindly also consider this way of earning money, which will help you and pay your small dues and EMIs. So one more way is renting out places. If you have an extra room or an extra space or an extra garage or a thing where you can just rent it out to for few months, then you can earn a handsome amount of money and earn rent from that. This will help you to utilize your space to the maximum and generate income for you. So this is also a good thing where you can rent your space out to Airbnb. There are other websites also where you can just rent out your space, or you can contact your local broker and get a good way. From me would be dog walking. So this is a very easy way where you can earn money. You can generally charge 500 rupees a month for just taking a dog and just walking him around. So those who are dog lovers and all, and you are keen with animals, so you can use this thing. I would recommend this after lockdown is over and where the coronavirus is settled. So you can do this thing as a part-time where you can just take the dogs and go take them for a walk. So many people can do this also. So I've given you a lot of ways in total with my previous video, where there were also 10 to 12 ways of earning money. Plus in this video I gave you around 5 to 6 ways of earning money. So I hope it changes your perspective of how you can earn money and not give up on life. So kindly use you can use these ways and try it out, though it will be difficult in the beginning, but anything new is always difficult to accept and adapt. So but do follow it and do try it out. See, you have to give it your shot, and then only you can earn money. You can just be sitting at home and let the things get settled down, or everything gets fine, then I'll start earning or start doing something. But the things which you can do it at home and still earn something will always help you. So kindly go for it and give your best shot. And if you require any help in any of these ways, then I am here to help you out. So kindly do like my video and give your comments also, your suggestions also, and you can give me some topic also, which I need to be prepared, or any recommendation from your side is highly accepted. So kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon also, so that you can stay updated for my next video and be the first one to view the videos. Share it to your friends. This can help, these videos can help them out to find a way for them for their earning and livelihood. Thank you so much guys. See ya as of now. Take care.